Hola, soy Farida de Indonesia. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell. Today, I will share tutorial Amigurumi cupcake. Cake 2. We will make cupcake. Row 1. Make 15 chunks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Row 2. Make single crochet of 3 stitches. Single crochet. Follow this pattern until the last stitch. We'll have 14 single crochet for total. Row 3, chain 1, turn your work, make 2 single crochet. And make single crochet 11 times. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, remember, make single crochet in the back loop. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and decrease. In the last stitch. Decrease. Row 4, chain 1, turn your work. Make decrease again. And then make single crochet 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember in the back loop. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and the last stitch, make 2 single crochet. Change color, blue yarn, chain 1, turn your work, make 2 single crochet in the first stitch. Single crochet 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and make decrease. Chain 1, turn your work, make decrease again. Make single crochet 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and the last stitch make 2 single crochet. Change color again. Pink yarn. Chain 1, turn your work. Row 16. Row 16. Make 2 single crochet in the first stitch and single crochet 11 times, then decrease in the last stitch. Row 17, row 7, make chain 1, turn your work, make a decrease in the first stitch, single crochet 11 times, and the last stitch make 2 single crochet. For the sign, when you make 2 single crochet and decrease, remember when you find change color, this sign, the yarn, sun yarn, for make 2 single crochet, and in the last stitch make decrease. Remember, when you find yarn, when change color, you make 2 single crochet in the first stitch, and the last stitch make decrease. When you turn for the next row, you don't find yarn in here, so you make decrease in the first stitch and single crochet 11 times, and the last stitch make 2 single crochet. Remember, when you find the yarn. Row 6, row 6 to row 7, pink yarn, row 6 to 7, row 7 to row 8 to 9, row 10 to 11, row 12 to 13, row 14 to row 15, row 16 to row 17, row 18 to row 19, row 20 to row 21, row 22 to 23, row 24 to 25, row 26 to 27, row 28 to 29. So we will have parallelogram shape. And so together. Front loop. And make a single crochet, make a 40 single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 Row 1, make single crochet 8 times in the center. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 Row 2, make 2 single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 16 single crochet for total. Make single crochet in the first stitch. Next stitch 2 single crochet. Single crochet, 2 single crochet. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 24 single crochet for total. Row 4, make single crochet 2 times and then make 2 single crochet. Single crochet 2 times, 1 2 and next stitch 2 single crochet. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 32 single crochet for total. Row 5, make single crochet 3 times, 1 2 3 and 2 single crochet. Single crochet 3 times, 1 2 3 2 single crochet. Follow this pattern. Row 6, make 3 chains, 2 3 and then make double crochet. And turn double crochet again, enter in here, enter in here, double crochet, remember here, and then next stitch follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 40 double crochet for total until the last stitch. Okay, you can see this back, this in the front. Follow until row 10. Then we will crochet together bottom side of cupcake. make single crochet around. We will have 40 single crochet for total. Fill the crown and we will close our cupcake. Make single crochet until the last stitch. Then next we will make shell stitch. Skip 2, 1, 2, and we will make double crochet 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Skip 2 stitch, 1, 2, slip stitch in here, make double crochet again 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Skip 2, 1, 2, and slip stitch again. Repeat again until the last stitch. I finished for make a cupcake, and then we will make the accessories cupcake. Take the white yarn, the first row, make 8 magic ring. The second row, make single crochet in the first stitch, then next stitch 2 single crochet, single crochet, 2 single crochet. Follow this pattern until the end. Row 3, the first stitch, make single crochet, second stitch single crochet, and the third stitch 2 single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, 2 single crochet. Follow this pattern until the end. And the fourth stitch, make single crochet in the first stitch, single crochet, second stitch, single crochet in the third stitch, and next stitch, fourth stitch, make 2 single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, 2 single crochet. Follow this pattern until the end, and then make 5 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make single crochet 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And next stitch we will make a slip stitch, slip stitch again, slip stitch again, and slip stitch. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then make single crochet 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 slip stitch, next stitch 4 times, 1 2 3 4, and then make slip stitch 5 times, 1 2 3 4 5, then make single crochet 4 times, 1 2 3 4, and make slip stitch, next stitch 4 times, 1 2 3 4, follow until you have 5 single crochet 4 times until you have 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Then sew accessories. Strawberry amigurumi keychain size, the first row. Make 6 single crochet in the center, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Row 2, make single crochet 2 times, 1 2, and next stitch 2 single crochet. Make single crochet 2 times, next stitch 2 single crochet. Follow this pattern. We will have 8 single crochet for a total. Row 3 to row 4, make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until row 4. We will have 8 single crochet for a total. Row 5, make single crochet 3 times, 1 2 3, 2 single crochet. We will have 10 single crochet for a total. Follow this pattern. Row 6, make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern. We will have 10 single crochet for a total. Cut yarn and fill the crotch. so mini size. Next, make 8 magic ring. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slip stitch. Make 2 chains. Make 3 chains and single crochet 2 times. Slip stitch in the next stitch, slip stitch again and make 3 chains and single crochet 2 times. Slip stitch next stitch, slip stitch next stitch again. Replay until finish. We will have 4 and cut yarn. So remember you spin. Strawberry accessories. After that, I will sew. Thank you for watching my video tutorial. Don't forget for subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next another tutorial. Check description for another cake. Amigurumi.